If you're wondering how to use Folk CRM for e-commerce sales, you're in the right place. Folk CRM is an incredibly powerful, easy-to-use tool that can help streamline your customer relationships and drive sales. Whether you're just starting out with e-commerce or looking to level up, Folk CRM offers features that cater to all your needs without being overwhelming. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can access an exclusive free trial of Folk CRM with some extra bonuses just for you. Folk CRM is designed to help e-commerce businesses manage their customer data more effectively and turn those relationships into sales. When you first get started, you'll notice that the interface is clean and simple, making it easy to organize contacts. The key to using Folk CRM for e-commerce sales is understanding how to manage and segment your customer base. It allows you to categorize customers by their behavior, purchase history, and even their engagement with your marketing efforts. One of the standout features of Folk CRM is its ability to track your interactions with each customer. You can see at a glance when they last interacted with your website, their most recent purchases, and how likely they are to buy again. This level of insight helps you make smarter decisions on how to approach each customer and tailor your sales strategy. For e-commerce, you can create segments to target specific customer groups. For example, you might have a segment for customers who haven't purchased in the last 6 months, and another segment for those who have made multiple purchases. With this segmentation, you can send targeted emails or special offers to keep customers engaged and push them toward another purchase. In Folk CRM, automating communication is straightforward. You can set up triggers for emails based on customer actions. If a customer adds something to their cart but doesn't check out, you can send them a reminder or an incentive to complete their purchase. This saves you time and ensures that no opportunity slips through the cracks. The CRM also integrates with your e-commerce platform, so it's easy to pull in data without manual entry, making it efficient and saving you from potential errors. Tracking sales performance and customer behavior is another strength of Folk CRM. The software gives you a clear overview of how your campaigns are performing, who's buying, and what's driving the most revenue. This helps you optimize your sales strategy in real time and focus on what's working. The data you get from Folk CRM can guide your next steps, whether that's launching a new product, running a promotion, or fine-tuning your existing offers. Now, if you're wondering how this all works without being a tech expert, don't worry. Folk CRM is intuitive. It's designed for people who want results without the technical complexity. You can get started with a basic setup and gradually explore more advanced features as your e-commerce business grows. Remember, you can try Folk CRM completely free from the link below. And if you act now, I've arranged an exclusive extended trial with additional bonuses to help you get started. This is a great chance to see just how much Folk CRM can elevate your e-commerce sales without any risk. To wrap up, Folk CRM is an essential tool for any e-commerce business looking to improve customer relationships and boost sales. From managing contacts and automating communications to tracking customer behavior and sales performance, Folk CRM has everything you need in one place. Be sure to check out the link below for your free trial and take advantage of the bonuses before they're gone.